What is cumulative delta, how to use it, and how to understand how it works? Cumulative delta, it is one of order flow indicators where you can see where people buy and sell a lot of coins. It's just another type of data. Example for you of how cumulative delta looks on a chart, it is exactly this one. Pay attention. It is APT coin. Red one, it means dominance of sellers. Green means dominance of buyers. I think you will have first question how this graph creates and how to read it properly. Let me explain to you all of this. Remember to watch till the end because really powerful examples I prepare for you till the end. And about platform where you can see all the data also will be in description. I will share it with you. Firstly, how cumulative delta creates. It is difference between buyers and sellers. What does this mean? What do I mean exactly buyers and sellers? When you open a trade on exchange, you can open at this moment any exchange, you will see that you have only two options. You can buy or you can sell your coins. That's it. Second, you can buy it by using market order. What means buy market order? It means buy exactly right now by this price. This stuff calls aggression. It means you are aggressive. Also, you can use a limit order. What does this mean? You can say, I would like to buy some BTC at some price. Example for you, real DOM, real depth of market of BTC at this moment. Like at this moment, pay attention to this local level, 22,350. Some person set buy limit order 1,500 coins. That means only if price reaches this area and only if someone sell to him, only in that case his position will be filled. Until that he calls passive trader. His pending order does not influence on the price right now, because if price start rising, his position could be as a limit for forever. That's it. How delta creates exactly. On exchange, when you press buy market, that means you lift the price and that means you absorb someone's sell limit order. That's why there are always two sides or on a price, always two sides. Also, there could be another example of a delta. When you sell by using market order, you sell it to someone, and in most cases, it would be buy limit. When you do first stuff, when you do this one, when you buy with market order, delta goes up. And on a chart, you will see this green area. It means dominance. Because remember, delta, it is cumulative delta. That means it is difference between what other people do. Because at the same time, there could be a lot of people, someone sells, someone buy. But it shows to you difference between a lot of people at the same time. And delta goes down when people, by using sell market orders, they fill buy limits. It calls aggression. Why delta is so important for us and how exactly we use cumulative delta. There are several reasons how we use cumulative delta. Before I exactly show to them, I ask you to subscribe. And second, below this video, there would be a link to free PDF about our strategy. Download it and learn how to trade order flow with our approach. PDF will be 100% free. First reason why we use delta, because it shows to us divergence. What divergence means? It means that, for example, delta goes down, but price slowly moves up. It means that someone do absorption. Divergence and absorption, it works at the same time. Let me show to you a real practical example of my Bybit trade. It is a real trade on my real account. What happened here exactly? Firstly, price of Bybit did this beautiful rise. And here I decided to take long, but some of you would say, okay, price already rose a lot. Why you took long here? It's stupid. But have a look. When you open a chart and you check what happened with delta, I think you will change your mind. Why? Because pay attention. Delta were negative, and with this pump, delta jumped from approximately minus 10,000 to 13,000. That means delta change minus 10 plus 13. It is approximately 23,000 coins, contracts. And price reacted with this powerful rise. And have a look what happened here. Price did small drop, relatively small drop, but have a look. Delta dropped from minus 13 to minus 7. really huge change, nearly the same as happened here. But here, price didn't, like delta drop, price didn't drop. That means divergence. That means absorption. That means someone absorb sell orders. And when you open a footprint, it is another screenshot with the same footprint. This means 7,100 coins. What happened exactly during this stuff? Some person set buy limit orders and just market sellers fill his buy limit orders, fill. And at one moment, he started just pushing price higher. And even this 3,269, it's an example how he started pushing price exactly higher. And what happened with BNB at that time? People that opened short positions here because they thought price already rose a lot and there could be some pullback to this area, they got trapped. And when sellers got trapped, what they do exactly with their positions? Yeah, my friend, they get out with stop losses and they forced to buy back even much higher. And for people that build, for example, long position here, they can sell to them into their stop losses and close their trades. I know this stuff a little bit difficult because it's really advanced topic. Share with me in the comments, should I record deep lesson about how buy and sell works to understand this stuff, how stop losses, absorption works. And before I'll share with you the most powerful second example, really hard example, I ask you to subscribe to this channel because we create a lot of content that will help you become profitable trader. For you, it's 100% free, but for us, it's really important because it's a signal that what we do really good and useful for you. That's why if it's okay for you and you see that our content useful, subscribe. I will have for you two examples additional. First, it is exactly a real example right now that's going on. Have a look. BTC dropped quite heavily. Delta also dropped significantly during that period. And have a look what happened here. Delta continued dropping, but price did exactly opposite. Price even didn't fail to do real low. Because if market would be okay, there must be real low with such negative delta. But what happened exactly here? Delta went down, but price did exactly opposite, did rise into this area. Why is this stuff important? Because buyers with limit orders just absorbed all the sell and moved price higher. That's it. And the opposite example for you, a really powerful example that I think it's really important to learn this example in every place. It is exactly this example, pay attention here. Why is this example really important for us? Because here happened several stuff at the same time. Firstly, it was price did re-high of this level. Also, it was after really huge rise and price failed to continue this rise. And all people that bought here get trapped. Also, what Delta also shows to us. It shows to us that some people bought a lot of contracts with market orders. And you should ask yourself, who with their mind would make a buy here? With bigger chance, it is only stop losses of short sellers. Short sellers were forced to get out by stop losses and they bought back their contracts to cover their losses and moved price higher. And from other side, with limit orders, someone absorbed it, built short position, and at this moment making really significant money from that. At this moment, if you enjoy, push like, and right now watch these lessons about OrderFlow that will help you become better trader, understand more how to use all of these tools and become profitable. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.